Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix high RAM or memory usage on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Make a right click at the start button, then you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize the Task Manager window. And here you need to, you will find all the tasks on your Windows, especially the background apps that you can see in here. Now you need to click on the CPU and the memory. So this will be ranked according to the high memory and CPU usage. Now here you can see that Google Chrome is at the first or at the top, so this means that it has a high memory. Now, what can we do is we need to simply end task or completely close it, especially if you're not using that. So if you're not using that application and this is consuming high memory, then make a right click and select end task. And then close this window. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type optimize. Defragment and optimize drives, click on that. Now click on the Windows C drive and click on the optimize button. Now once done, click on close. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar again and type services. We are going to disable this is main services. Click on that under the best match. We need to scroll down to the S section and look for this is main. This one. Make a right click, then you have to select properties. Startup type, that should be disabled. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK and then close this window. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sysdm.cpl. Click on it under the best match. In here, you'll find the system properties window. Click on the advanced. Here, you'll find performance with the settings button. Click on the settings button. And here you'll find these options, show thumbnails instead of icons, check that. Smooth edges of screen fonts, check that. Click on apply, click on OK, and click on OK again. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Now here in the disk cleanup for Windows, you just need to simply check these boxes one by one. It will also be stated from here the total amount of disk space that you can gain. Now finally click on OK and click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. Now once done, for the final method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on System Configuration under the best match. Click on the Services tab. Now check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all. Click on Apply. Click on the Start app. Click on Open Task Manager. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows, and what you can do is to disable the unnecessary startup program that should not automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows. All you have to do is make a right click and then you have to select disable. For all the unnecessary startup programs, close this, click on OK, and then you have to click on the restart button, and after that you will see that the high RAM or memory usage will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.